Namaskar, dear students. Welcome to you all to our English class of Grade 1, Unit 1, Lesson 14. I hope you all are good and ready for today's class with your needed materials. Are you? Yes. If so, let's start our today's class. What did you learn yesterday? Can you tell me something about yesterday's topic? You dealt something from Unit 13 yesterday. Unit 1, Lesson 13, yes? Good. In Lesson 13 too, you learned something about the animals, their names, their sounds, yes? And you also learned to take the similar picture, and you also learn to draw the half circles, yes? So today also we are going to learn from Unit 14. The topic is mostly similar, yes? भन्नुस् त भाइ बहिनीहरु, हिजो हामीले के सिकेका थियौं युनिट 13 मा? युनिट 13 मा हामीले एनिमल्सहरुको बारेमा, एनिमल्सको नाम अनि तिनीहरुले चाहिँ कसरी साउन्ड निकाल्छ, हैन? जस्तै क्याटले म्याउ म्याउ गर्छ नि, हैन? त्यसैगरी अरु एनिमल्सको बारेमा पनि सिक्यौं हामीले। अनि सिमिलर पिक्चरमा टिक लाउन पनि सिक्यौं, है? अनि हाफ सर्कल ड्रा गर्न पनि सिकेका थियौं हामीले, हो? So today we are going to learn from Unit 14. आज चाहिँ हामी युनिट 14 मा जाँदै छौं। युनिट 14 बाट सिक्दै छौं। युनिट 14 मा पनि त्यस्तै खालको कुराहरु छ। एनिमल्सहरुको बारेमा सिक्छौं, तिनीहरुको साउन्ड्सको बारेमा सिक्छौं, अनि सिमिलर पिक्चर टिक लाउन सिक्छौं। त्यसपछि डिफरेन्ट शेप्सहरु, टी शेप, ओ शेप, हैन? अनि स्लिपिङ लाइन, स्ट्यान्डिङ लाइन ड्रा गर्न पनि सिक्छौं हामी। ओके? So today we are going to learn something from Unit 14. Let's start today's class. Before starting our today's topic, I want to show you a short video. Do you want to listen it? Okay. Yes, get ready for it. I want to show you the videos. In the videos, you can see the different animals. You can listen their names, you can listen their sounds, okay? How do they produce sound, okay? Now, it is the turn to listen to the video. Watch the video, okay? Okay. Watch this.
Cat. Dog. Cow. Chicken. Sheep. Horse. Pig. Donkey. Frog. Lion. Monkey. Polar bear. Tiger. Elephant. Bear. Wolf.
Okay, did you enjoy the video? Good. In this video, you must have found that different animals, name of different animals and their sounds. How do they produce their sounds? Yes, for example, a cat, I have already told you, a cat says meow like this, yes? Okay. So, let's look at the picture now. Let's look at the picture. Look at the pictures. There are some pictures. And what can you see there in the pictures? हेर्नुस् त मैले यहाँ पिक्चर देखाएको छु है. देख्नु भएको छ? है? एनिमल्सहरु देख्नु भएको छ यस्तो एनिमल्सहरु? तपाईहरुको घरमा पनि छ? हो. के हो यो? चिन्नु भएको छ? What is this? What is this? This is goat. Very good. This is a goat, yes? Okay. Now, what is the goat doing? Look there. There is a boy. There is a goat. Yes? They are playing. Yes? The goat is playing with the boy. Have you ever played with goat? गोठसँग खेल्नु भएको छ? रमाइलो लाग्छ? है? हेर्नुस् त यहाँ. गोठसँग यो गोट चाहिँ बोयसँग खेलिरहेछ है. Okay? Then can you tell me how do the goat produce its sounds? Okay. Can you tell me? के गर्छ? मा मा गर्छ है. Good. Okay? It says ma. Okay? Now look at next picture. What is this? Which animal is this? Can you tell me? हेर्नुस् त कुन एनिमल होला यो? देख्नु भएको छ? देख्नु भएको छ है. What is its name? Dog. Very good. It's a dog. And what is the dog doing? Look there. What is this? Have you seen this fruit? Yes. This is watermelon. Okay? And dog is with a piece of watermelon. Yes? Okay. So, how does a dog produce sound? Can you tell me? It says hum 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 hum. Good. Hey? I have already shown you the videos. How do the dog produce sound? Yes? So, you can also do it. Do you have dogs at your home? Yes, some of you have. Yes? Good. So, can you produce the sound of dog, please? Follow after me. Like this. Yes? Okay? Then, look at next picture. What is this? This is a cow. Yes? Good. This is a cow. And what is it doing? Can you tell me? Look here. There is a green field, yes, and it is grazing. Cow देख्नु भएको छ? देख्नु भएको छ है? अनि यो काउले के गरिरहेछ हेर्नुस् त? Grazing, it's grazing है? घाँस खाइरहेछ, चौरमा के गरिरहेछ? चरिरहेछ. Okay? Now, how does a cow produce sound? Can you tell me? How does it produce sound? Baa, baa गर्छ है? Now, can you produce the sound of a cow, please? Okay, try to do it. Wow. Okay? Next one. Good. Look at next one. What is this? Can you name this animal? Have you seen it? Yes. All of you have seen it, yes? What is it then? It's a cat. Okay? And look, cat is very mischievous, yes? And it can sit anywhere, okay? And it can sleep anywhere, okay? It can go anywhere. Then where is the cat now? Look here, what is this? This is laptop, yes? The cat is sitting on the laptop, yes? So, how does a cat produce its sound? Can you tell me? Can you produce the sound of cat, please? Okay, good. It says meow, meow. Okay, like this. The cat produces sound in this way. Okay, very good. You did it very well. Let's go to next one. Look there. There is a chant, okay? There is a chant. It is related to the animals and their sound. We have already dealt with the pictures. Let's go through the chant here, okay? Now look here. First of all, I'll sing it, then later you have to sing with me, okay? You have to do what I do here. You have to follow me, okay? Are you ready for it? Okay, good. Let's do it. A cow moves, baa, baa, baa. Yes? A pig grunts. Pig. How does a pig produce its sounds? Can you tell me? A pig grunts. Yes? A pig grunts. गर्छ है पिगले थाहा छ आउँछ फेरि गर्नुस् त गर्छ है गुड नाउ नेक्स्ट वान लुक हियर अ गोट ब्लिट्स मा 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 गर्छ है यस ओके देन अ डग बार्क्स hum 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 good hey then next one a cat mews meow 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 good hey good are you following just listen to me this time then later you have to follow okay then next look here a hen cackles kakak 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 good hey hensle good now let's do it together okay let's do it together look there a cow moves baa 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 good a pig grunts good eh? Good are you doing good a goat bleats ma 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 are you doing how does a goat produce a sound can you produce it please ma 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 okay next one a dog barks hum 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 good hey once more please good now a cat mews meow 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 okay good then a hen cackles kakak 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 okay in this way the animal produce their sounds Okay, the animals produce their sound. Okay, so try to sing the sound yourself, practice it yourself. You can take help of your parents. Okay, now go to your house and try to practice the sound. Okay, good. Now let's go to the next one. Can you see the picture here? Look there. There is a picture. Now our lesson starts. Yes, today we are going to learn something about the animals. Yes, name of animals, their sounds. Yes, so look here. Look at the pictures given here. Listen and act. Now look at the picture. You have to listen to the animal sound and you have to produce their sounds. So listen and act. First मा मैले भनेको सुन्नुस्, त्यसपछि एनिमल्सहरुको जस्तै एक्टिङ गरेर एनिमल्स भनेर उनीहरुको साउन्ड निकाल्नु पर्छ है. Are you ready for it? Okay. Now look there. There are many animals. Yes. What are they? They are different animals. Yes. And what are they doing? Can you see? Yes, some are grazing, some are sitting, some are running, some are doing different jobs. Yes? Now look here. What is this? Can you name this animal, please? Can you name it? What is it? Have you seen it? Yes? Yes. This is a pig. What is this? Follow after me. This is a pig. Okay. Then what is it doing? Look here. Where does a pig live? Where does a pig live? Have you seen the house of the stay of the pig? Have you seen the place where the pig lives? Yes. Pig lives in muddy pen. Yes. Muddy pen. Pig चाहिँ कहाँ बस्छ? हिलो हिलो भएको ठाउँमा बस्छ है. हिलो मन पर्छ है पिग्सलाई. डटी हुन्छ है. Good. So it is sitting there in mud. Yes? Okay. Now look there. And how does it produce sound? I have already told you. Can you produce its sound, please? Try it. Good. It says yes? Good. Now next picture. Look there. What is this? Can you name this picture? हेर्नुस् त यो के होला देख्नु भएको छ यसलाई देख्नु भएको छ है What is this? This is goat. Yes, this is a goat. And what is it doing? Look there. It is eating grass. Yes, the goat likes to eat grass in very high level. Yes, माथि यस्तो माथि चढेर घाँस खान्छ नि गोठले थाहा छ याद गर्नु भएको छ रुखमा पनि सानसानो रुखमा पनि चढेर घाँस खान्छ नि हैन हेर्नुस् त यस्तो माथि चढेर घाँस खान मन पर्छ नि यसले चाहिँ घाँस खाइराछ है It is goat. Yes, and it is eating grass. Yes, and how does it produce sound? Can you tell me? Can you produce its sound, please? Meh, meh, meh. Got it. Good. Once more, please. Very good. Now look at next picture. What is this? This is cat. Yes, this is a cat. Very good. And what is it doing? It is running. Yes. Okay. It's running. It's chasing the hen. Yes. Okay. And how does it produce sound? Can you produce the sound of cat, please? Meow, meow. That's right. Once more, please. Produce the sound of the cat. Very good. Very good. Now, look at next picture. Look there. What is this? This is hen. Yes. What is it doing? It is trying to fly. It is also running. Yes. So, look there. How does it produce sound? Can you tell me? Caw, caw, Caw गर्छ ए good. Can you produce its sound please? Very good. Okay. Now next one. Look this. What is this? This is a cow. Yes. What is it doing? It is running. Yes. It is very happy. It is very happy because there is in field. There is in field and it is running. Yes. And what is? How does it produce sound? Can you tell me? Can you produce the sound of the cow, please? Bong, bong. What's eh? Once more, please. Very good. Now next one. Look there. What is this? This is a cat. Yes. And what is it? Sorry, this is a dog. Yes. And what is it doing? It is sleeping. Yes. It is sleeping. And can you tell me how does it produce sound? How does it produce sound? How does a dog produce sound? Dog को sound निकाल्न आउँछ? निकाल्नुस् त. Dog जसै गरी कराउनुस् त. कसरी कराउँछ? गर्छ. ए good. Very good. Okay. These are the animals. Can you name the animals once more, please? Pig. Follow after me, okay? Pig. Good. Goat. Good. Cat. Good. Hen. Good. Cow. Good. Dog. Very good. Okay. In this way, the animals produce their sounds. Yes. Okay. Let's go to next one. Okay. Look at the picture. There is a sound. First of all, look at the picture. Listen and sing. Look at the pictures. Okay. What is this? Can you name the tree? Look there. There are fruits. What are these fruits? They are apples. Yes. Juicy apples. Look there. The apples look very juicy. Yes. Don't you want to eat? Apple tree. है हेर्नुस् त रातो रातो एप्पल जुसी जुसी खान मन लागेछ है खान मन लाग्छ है good हेर्नुस् त then there are two children yes and the girl is on the back of the boy okay and they are talking look there. First of all, listen to me, then later you have to sing with me, okay? First of all, listen to me. Two big apples under the tree. Once more. Two big apples under a tree. One is for you and one is for me. Look there. The brother is showing the apples and telling the little girl, yes? ब्रदरले हेर्नुस् त ब्रदरले सानो सिस्टरलाई बोकिरहेछ ए लिटल सिस्टरलाई अनि देखाउँदै भनिरहेछ हेर त there are two big apples one is for you and one is for me he says yes now sing with me okay two big apples good under a tree like that one is for you and one is for me. Very good. You did it very well. Okay. Now, it is the turn to write. Okay. We'll do writing here. Okay. We'll do writing here. Look at the chart. Okay. Look at the chart. Look at the chart. You can see some dotted outlines of T-shape and O-shape. It is circle. You can say circle, you can say zero, yes. T-shape and O-shape. हेर्नुस् है अब राइटिङ को पाला आएको छ राइटिङ को पेन्सिल छ हजुरहरुसँग पेन्सिल निकाल्नुस् अनि यसरी पेन्सिल समाउनुस् ल हेर्नुस् त पेन्सिललाई यस्तो धेरै माथि समाते भने पनि राम्ररी लेख्न सकिदैन अप्ठ्यारो हुन्छ ए अनि यस्तो तल्ल समाते भने पनि अप्ठ्यारो हुन्छ कहाँ समाउनु पर्छ यहाँ नेरी यस्तो यसरी समाउनुहोस्, राम्रोसँग समाउनुहोस् है। धेरै दह्रो पनि नपार्नुहोस्, धेरै खुकुलो पनि नपार्नुहोस्, सजिलो गरी समाउनुहोस् पेन्सिल। समाउनु भएको छ सबैले? ओके, आर यु रेडी टु राइट? ओके, लेट्स राइट. इट इज इन योर बुक टु. नाउ देयर आर डटेड आउटलाइन्स. हेर्नुहोस् है, यहाँ डटेड आउटलाइन्सहरू दिएको छ। यो थोप्लो थोप्लो जोडेर हामीले यहाँ सेप बनाउनु पर्छ। थोप्लो थोप्लो जोडिसकेपछि टी सेप बन्छ है, टी सेप बन्छ। टी सेप बन्नको लागि to form the T shape we need 2 lines. Okay, we need 2 lines. Look here, this is first line and this is second line. Okay, now join 2 lines here. This is sleeping line and this is standing line. Okay, बुझ्नु भयो कुरा? अस्ति नै हामीले स्लिपिङ लाइन र यस्तो स्लिपिङ लाइन हो अनि यस्तो स्ट्यान्डिङ लाइन सिकेका थियौं हो। अब यो टी सेप बनाउनको लागि हामीलाई स्लिपिङ लाइन र स्ट्यान्डिङ लाइन चाहिन्छ। तेर्सो र यस्तो है, हेर्नुहोस् ल। अब यसलाई जोड्नको लागि के गर्नुपर्छ हामीले? लुक देयर, फर्स्ट अफ अल जोइन द डट्स। पहिला केही गर्नु परेन, ए डट डट माथि जोड्दै जाने। हेर्नुहोस् है कसरी जोड्ने डट्समा पेन्सिल समाउन सिकाएको छु है मैले। राम्रोसँग समाउनु भयो हो। अब यहाँ हेर्नुहोस्, यो थोप्लोबाट यो थोप्लो, फ्रम दिस डट टु फ्रम दिस डट। इफ यु फिल डिफिकल्ट यु क्यान लिभ। ओके, यो डटबाट यो डटसम्म जानु अप्ठ्यारो लाग्यो भने छोडिदिए पनि हुन्छ। फेरि त्यहीँ गएर टच हुने है, फेरि त्यहीँ गएर टच हुने, यो डटदेखि यो डटसम्म लाने, सकिन्छ भने परैसम्म सिधै लाने है। फेरि यो डटदेखि यो डटसम्म, फ्रम दिस डट टु दिस डट। द स्लिपिङ लाइन इज मेड। हेर्नुहोस् त, स्लिपिङ लाइन बन्यो है। अब यसो गरेर यो डटलाई जोइन गरेपछि के लाइन बन्यो? स्लिपिङ लाइन। ओके, नाउ लेट्स ड्र स्ट्यान्डिङ लाइन टु फर्म टी सेप। ओके, अब टी सेप बनाउनको लागि स्ट्यान्डिङ लाइन बनाउनु पर्छ। फर्स्टमा ए डट डटलाई डट डट माथि लेख्नुहोस् है। फ्रम दिस डट टु दिस डट, फ्रम दिस डट टु दिस डट, फ्रम दिस डट टु दिस डट। Look, the line is drawn. Yes, so what is made here? T is drawn. Yes, T is drawn. Now do all like this. Okay, सबैले अब यस्तै गरी गर्नुस्। यो थोप्लोदेखि यो थोप्लोसम्म लानु, यो थोप्लोदेखि यो थोप्लोसम्म, यो थोप्लोदेखि यो थोप्लोसम्म। फर्स्टमा के गर्यौँ हामीले? स्लिपिङ लाइन ड्र गर्यौँ थोप्लो थोप्लो जोडेर हो। अब फेरि थोप्लो थोप्लो जोडेर के गर्छौँ हामी? हेर्नुहोस् त, स्ट्यान्डिङ लाइन ड्र गर्छौँ है। Draw standing line by joining the dots. Are you doing? Okay, very good. Now let's do next. I'll do from one row. In second row, you have to do it yourselves. Okay? Look here, from this dot to this dot, from this dot to this dot. Okay? T shape is drawn here. Okay? Next one. Okay, join like this. Okay, join it. Next one, from this dot to this dot. Okay, from this dot to this dot, from this dot to this dot, from this dot to this dot. Okay, are you done? Okay, if you have done it, the second line should be done by yourselves. मैले फर्स्ट लाइन गर्न सिकाएको छु, अब सेकेन्ड लाइन आफै यसै गरी माथि माथि धर्का तानेर ड्र गर्नुस् है। टी सेप ड्र गर्नुस्। ओके, आर यु रेडी फर इट? ओके, बनाउन आयो? अब यस्तै डट डट जोइन गरेर टी सेप बनाउन आयो? गुड, अब यो बनाउनुस् है। नाउ लेट्स गो टु नेक्स्ट वान। ओके, नेक्स्ट अब के छ यहाँनिर? सर्कल। दिस इज अल्सो नोन एज ओ। ओके, हामीले ओ पनि भन्छौँ यसलाई, सर्कल पनि भन्छ है। सेप, दिस इज ओ सेप। नाउ फर इट यु हेभ अलरेडी लर्न्ड हाफ सर्कल्स। ओके, हाफ सर्कल सिक्नु भएको छ है अघिल्लो युनिटमा तपाईँहरूले। हेर्नुहोस् त, यस्तो हाफ सर्कल सिक्नु भएको छ है। यताबाट लाने पनि सिक्नु भएको छ, यताबाट लाने पनि सिक्नु भएको छ। अब दुईटालाई जोइन गर्यो भने के हुन्छ होला? यताबाट एउटा हाफ सर्कल बनायो, यताबाट एउटा हाफ सर्कल बनायो भने अब यसलाई बिचमा जोडिदियो भने के बन्छ हाम्रो? फुल सर्कल बन्छ हैन? त्यसै गरी यहाँ पनि त्यस्तै गरी बनाउनु पर्यो। ओके, लेट्स डु। फर्स्ट अफ अल जोइन द डट। फर्स्टमा जोइन, यो डटमा जोइन गर्नुहोस्। अहिले पछि त फेरि आफैले लेख्नुपर्छ नि सर्कल र टी सेप. ओके, आफैले ड्र गर्नुपर्छ है, त्यही भएर ध्यान दिएर गर्नुहोस् ल. ओके, नाउ लुक हियर. फर्स्ट अफ अल join the dot. Okay, from this dot to this dot, from this dot to this dot, from this dot to this dot, from this dot to this dot. Okay, is it drawn? Good. हो, यसै गरी ड्र गर्दै जानुहोस् त. यसरी फर्स्ट डटबाट सेकेन्ड डटबाट थर्डबाट फोर्थबाट फिफ्थ. हेर्नुहोस् त कति इजी छ है. इजी लाग्यो? गुड. आर यु डुइङ? गर्दै हुनुहुन्छ? Okay, do. Okay, now look here. From this dot to this dot, from this dot to this dot, from this dot to this dot. Okay, O shape is drawn here. From this dot to this dot, from this dot to this dot, from this dot to this dot. Okay, this is also same. Join the dots. It is very easy for you. Yes, easy लाग्यो? Good. गर्दै जानुहोस् ल. सिधा तान्नुहोस् है. From this dot to this dot, from this dot to this dot, from this dot to this dot. Yes, यहाँबाट यहाँ जाने, यहाँबाट यहाँ जाने, यहाँबाट यहाँ जाने. थुप्ला थुप्ला दिएको छ, थुप्ला थुप्लालाई जोइन गर्ने है. गर्नुभयो? अब सेकेन्ड लाइन तपाईहरुको पाला है. Join it by yourselves. Okay, join the dots by yourselves. Okay, now have you finished joining the dots? Okay, if so, we have to draw the shapes here. Okay, अब हामीले dots join गरिसकेपछि के गर्नुपर्छ? shape आफैले draw गर्नुपर्छ है. Look there. Look there. अघि हामीले यस्तो T shape पनि बनाउन सिक्यौं, O shape पनि बनाउन सिक्यौं, उसबाट डटबाट हो. अब हामीले के गर्नुपर्छ? ड्र गर्नुपर्छ है. लुक हियर. ओके, ड्र गर्नलाई के गर्नु पर्यो? फर्स्टमा हामीले स्लिपिङ लाइन ड्र गर्नु पर्यो. यस्तो स्लिपिङ लाइन ड्र गर्नुस् है. फर्स्टमा स्लिपिङ लाइन ड्र गर्नुस्. त्यसपछि यहाँदेखि सिधा तलसम्म स्ट्यान्डिङ लाइन ड्र गर्नुस् है. इज इट ड्रन? यसै गरी गर्नुस्. फर्स्टमा के गर्नुस्? स्लिपिङ लाइन. ओके, draw sleeping line, then draw standing line. Draw sleeping line, then draw standing line. Okay, draw sleeping line, then draw standing line. Okay, next one is for you. यो तपाईहरुको लागि है. आफै गर्नुस् ल. यस्तै गरी टी बनाउनु है. Now O shape. For O shape I have already told you, draw two half circles first. फर्स्टमा दुईटा हाफ सर्कल्स बनाउनुस्. यस्तो नियर नियर सिधा सिधा गरेर है. अनि यसरी जोइन गर्दा पनि हुन्छ, अथवा सिधै यसरी गोलो बनाउन पनि सकिन्छ. गोलो बनाउनुस् यसरी है. यस्तो गोलो बनाउनुस्. गोलो बनाउनुस्. ओके, गुड. नाउ डु इट योरसेल्फ. ओके, आफै गर्नुस् ल. हेर्नुस् त, म मार्करले पनि गरिदिन्छु है. यस्तो गोलो बनाउनुस्. गोलो बनाउनुस्. गोलो बनाउनुस्. फेरि गोलो बनाउनुस्. फेरि गोलो बनाउनु है. In this way you have to do. Okay, now draw the O shape in second line yourselves. Can you do it? Okay, now it is for your homework. Okay, यो चाहिँ होमवर्क भयो है तपाईहरुको लागि. Okay, let's go to next activity. Now look at the pictures. There are some lines. Yes, and tick the same picture in each row. Okay, यहाँ एउटा रोमा सेम पिक्चरलाई टिक गर्नु पर्यो. लाइन्सहरु दिएको छ है. horizontal line, vertical line and slanting line. Okay, look, there are 3 lines. Okay, and you have to tick the same lines here. Okay, यो अगाडिको लाइन हेर्नु अनि यो रोमा यो अगाडिको जस्तै कहाँनेरि छ त्यहाँ गएर टिक गर्ने है. Okay, look there. This is vertical line. Yes, this is vertical line. यसलाई के भन्छौं हामी? vertical लाई ठाडो यस्तो सिधा वाला भन्छौं नि. यस्तो सिधा लाइन हैन. अनि अब यो भर्टिकल लाइन छ यहाँनेरि अब हामीले यस्तै भर्टिकल लाइन खोज्नु पर्यो यो रोमा कहाँनेरि छ हेर्दै जानुस् है इज दिस सिमिलर टु दिस नो इज दिस सिमिलर टु दिस यस गुड नाउ टिक इट ओके टिक गर्नुस् नाउ नेक्स्ट वान दिस इज हरिजेन्टल लाइन हरिजेन्टल भनेको यस्तो तेर्सो है हेर्नुस् ल अनि अब यस्तै हरिजेन्टल लाइन यहाँ खोज्नु पर्यो यो रोमा है नाउ सर्च इट ओके खोज्दै जानुस् ल त्यसपछि कहाँ भेट्नुहुन्छ टिक गर्ने है इज दिस सिमिलर टु दिस नो इज दिस सिमिलर टु दिस नो इज दिस सिमिलर यस सो टिक इट अब यहाँ गएर टिक लाउने ओके गुड नेक्स्ट वान स्ल्यान्टिङ लाइन यस्तो बाङ्गो लाइन आउँछ नि बाङ्गो रेखा आउँछ नि यसलाई हामी के भन्छौँ स्ल्यान्टिङ लाइन भन्छौँ अब यस्तै यता यो रोभित्र खोज्नुहोस् है कहाँनेरि छ त्यहाँ गएर टिक लाउने है इज दिस सिमिलर टु दिस यस उस्तै रहेछ है ल टिक लगाइदिउँ त्यसो भए लगाइसक्नुभयो गुड भेरी गुड नाउ लेट्स गो टु नेक्स्ट वान यु हेभ टु follow after me here okay you have to follow after me listen and say after your teacher good morning all of you tell good morning good now once more very good morning teacher good morning teacher good hello okay and bye bye when you leave you say bye bye yes when you meet your teacher and you say good morning teacher yes like this then point the same pictures अहिलेको जस्तै है सेम पिक्चर्सलाई पोइन्ट गर्नुहोस् फर्स्ट रोमा हेर्नुहोस् सेकेन्ड रोमा हेर्नुहोस् दिस इज द फर्स्ट रो दिस इज सेकेन्ड रो दिस इज थर्ड रो दिस इज फोर्थ रो यहाँ के गरिरहेको छ सेम पिक्चरलाई हेर्नुहोस् है ओके यो स्याम्पल भयो यस्तै पिक्चर यो रोमा कहाँ छ टिक गरिहाल्नुहोस् त okay circle the picture okay now यो similar छ योसँग is this similar no is this yes they are similar now let's circle it okay next look at the picture the girl is sitting yes and is this similar to this no this is a boy it is similar to this no and is this similar yes have you already done look at third row okay थर्ड रोमा हेर्नुहोस् त सी इज रिडिङ नाउ सर्च द सेम पिक्चर यस्तै पिक्चर खोज्नुहोस् त कहाँ छ यो छ न सी इज स्लिपिङ ही इज इटिङ एन्ड सी इज रिडिङ यस दिस इज सिमिलर नाउ लेट्स सर्कल इट ओके नाउ लास्ट वान लुक देयर सी इज वासिङ यस सी इज वासिङ हर फेस नाउ सर्च द सेम पिक्चर्स इन दिस रो इज दिस सिमिलर नो ही इज ब्रसिङ yes is this similar no she is combing yes and is this similar yes okay now look now circle it okay very good let's go to next one this is last one look listen and act look here there are two children they are friends they met each other on the way to school and they greet each other and said bye bye too and this is also greeting yes look there first of all it says hello we say hello to unknown people हो हामीले चाहिँ नचिनेको मान्छेलाई भेट्यौं भने के भन्छौं हेलो भनेर बोलाउँछ है यसले के भनिरहेछ र्याबिटले हेलो भनेर बोलाइरहेछ है गुड नाउ दे आर फ्रेन्ड्स इनीहरु फ्रेन्ड्स हुन् चिनिसकेका छन् अनि उनीहरुले के भनेर बोलाउँछन् त हाय आई एम पिंकी सी सेज हाय आई एम पिंकी भन्छ यसले है then she says again she says hi and they say bye bye to leave उनीहरुले फर्स्टमा भेट्दाखेरि के भन्छन् हाय भन्छन् हैन पिंकीले हाय भन्छ अनि त्यसपछि फर्स्टमा अब छोड्ने बेलामा जाने बेलामा छुट्ने बेलामा के भन्छौं हामी बाय बाय भनेर छुट्छ very good you did it very well okay tomorrow also we'll deal something about the greetings okay and we'll learn to write alphabets okay so I hope you enjoyed today's class and you are ready to draw the T shape and O shape, okay? And you also learned to produce different sounds of animals, to name the different animals, yes? So, I hope you enjoyed today's class. We'll see you in next class. Have a good time. Bye-bye.